1350.
1350. Good luck. Elizabeth.
950.
950. And Linda, her French caller Linda.
951.
951. Actual retail price is $1,235. Linda, come on up here. Sorry I screwed up your name, but her friends call her Linda, so that's what I found out. So I'm going to call you Linda the rest of the show. George, what do you got for Linda?
I could say Linda, I could say Hung Na, or I could just say it's a brand
new car.
It's the Ford Focus SE. Comes equipped with a 2-liter engine, front-wheel drive, keyless entry, plus 6-speed automatic transmission and fabric protection. It's the Ford Focus.
James and Willie, ready to give away this car?
Ready.
There we go. The game is called One Away. All these numbers are one away from the correct numbers. So the 3 should be a 4 or a 2. The 1 should be a 2 or a 0. 8 should be a 9 or a 7. It's like that, all the way down. All you got to do is how much way the numbers go, and if you're right, you win the car. You ready? 3 should be a 4 or a 2. A 2. So Ford Focus SE. Thank you, Manuela. 2 or 0?
0.
0. Stuck.
Stuck in there.
9 or 7?
9.
9, please. 5 or 3?
5.
5. And finally, 8 or 6?
8.
How about an 8? 20,958. That looks like a car price to me. How about you? It looks good, right?
It is very good.
Looks good. Now, I don't know if you've seen this game before, but there's a woman in the back. Mighty Sound Effects lady.
Yes, please,
Yes.
please, please.
She knows how the game works. Mighty Sound Effects lady, do I have at least one number right?
My sound lady, do I have one number right?
Yes. We got 1. 4 to go. Oh, Mighty Sound Effects lady, do I have 2 numbers right?
Oh, my sound lady, do I have 2 number right? Please.
2. Try for 3, Linda.
Oh, please, please. My sound lady, do I have 3 number right?
2 more to go. See if you have 4 numbers right.
Please, please, my sound lady, do I have 4 number right?
Then you have to change 2 numbers. Which 2 do you want to change? 2, 0, 9, 5, or 8?
Change a 0 to 2. 0 to 2. The second one.
0 to 2. 0 to 2. 1 more.
The 5.
3. 5. The 5 to 3.
5 to a 3.
Yes.
5 to a 3.
Yes.
Let's see a 2, please. I think that number's right. Yes. Blue 2. Yes.
Oh, God.
Blue 9. Yes. Red 3 for the win. You got it.
Yes.